Hi everyone, how are you doing? My name is Ombonya Kenya and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, karibu sana, and thank you so much guys for watching this video. So today I'll be showing you how to install a headband wig, this curly headband wig, how I did it. My hair is in a mess, as you can see. I had another band wig previously. This is why my hair looks like this. Oh my god, I also look so tired. I like to see the transformation, so let's get into it. So first things first, I like to moisturize my hair before working on it or before any protective style. Just going in and brushing it. So for this hairstyle, you need Eco Styling Gel. Just applying that at the front line, just a bit, you don't need much. And then I'll go in with this Bristol brush and brush my hair. After you're satisfied, take your wig cap and secure everything at the back. Remember, we need the front line, so don't worry if you mess it up, you can always fix it later. Like so. And if you need to do your edges, this is the point where you do that. So I'm using this olive oil edge control to do my edges. Just fix them a bit. This is a hairstyle that only takes me less than 5 minutes to do it. So easy. So it's actually something that I recommend. I'll just tie my hair down so my edges can dry, go play with some makeup, and then come back. Hey baby! So I'm done. Back. As you can see, my edges are dry now. So I'm using this curly wig, short curly wig. It's not new, but I love it. So I've used it a few times and I love how it does not tangle and it's light and all that. I got this wig from, okay, I'll check the detail on. I'm really not sure where I got it from, but it's a really nice wig. So I'm just putting that on. First thing you want to do is fix your wig and secure it, because you don't want that falling off later.
Wanna be happy, happy
So this is how the wig looks like. So just put it wherever you feel like you're comfortable with it and you are good to go. Look how it just blended with my hair. I mean, I'm liking it.
I just wanna be happy.
So guys, this is one way you can rock this hair. Like, you can just be minimal, don't add anything else, and you still rock this hair. But you know, some of us like to be extra, so I'm going to put this band on my hair to accessorize my wig. and I love it.
I just wanna be happy.
So thank you so much guys for hanging out with me. This is the end of this video. If you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Share and comment down below. If you haven't watched any of other of my hair videos, I'll put a link in the description box, and I guess I'll see you in my next one. Bye.